Hello and welcome to the Gardening Cook, where we talk about everything cooking and gardening related. My name is Jess, and today we're going to be talking about freezing lemons. Now, maybe you went to the grocery store or the farmer's market, or maybe you're very lucky and you have a lemon tree that just produced too many lemons. Either way, we're not going to let those lemons go to waste. You can actually freeze both the lemon juice and the lemon zest from the lemons, and I'm going to show you how. So the first step is to wash your lemons. You want to wash them really thoroughly, and then we're going to start zesting. I recommend zesting over aluminum foil because you can stick this right into the freezer. Take your zester and just start zesting the lemon. And you want to get just the yellow part, not the white part, because that's a little bit more bitter. And, really give this a good zest. Making sure to be mindful of your fingers. And you're going to do this for all of the lemons. It takes a minute now, but it's totally worth it when you have a whole bunch of fresh lemon zest for recipes and cocktails later, and you don't have to do any of this prep work. Okay, so I've just finished zesting all of my lemons. As you can see, it's most of the way zested, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to be left with a pile of lemon zest. So what you want to do, I know it kind of sticks to your fingers, but just spread it out into a single layer, kind of as best as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you want to have enough aluminum foil that you can fold it over the lemon zest, creating a little bit of a pouch. Right, so it's all folded up and it's pretty thin, the layer. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna stick this in the freezer. I always like to label my lemon zest so I know how old it is. And then I just stick it in a reusable silicone bag and you're good to go. All right, so once you've put your lemon zest in the freezer, the next step is the lemon juice. What we're going to do for these is take the lemon and roll it with a moderate pressure on the cutting board. It doesn't need to be super firm. This just lets a little bit more of that juice get extracted from the lemon. And then you cut it in half with a sharp knife. And I love this lemon lime squeezer. You can do this method for any type of citrus. So it has a lime attachment and then also lemon. You're gonna put it cut side down. And I like to do it over a cup that has a spout on it. And you just squeeze. Ooh. They get a little splash of lemon. And you take the spent lemon and put it to the side. And you're gonna continue to do this for all of the rest of the lemons. Now, you might have some that are a little bit too big to fit inside of this. Like this one is enormous. So what I do is I cut it in half and then I cut it in half again so that it's just a quarter at a time, and that works really well. And I'm still able to get all of that wonderful lemon juice out of the lemon. So I just finished juicing the lemons. I used two 2-pound bags of lemons and it yielded 18 ounces or 550 milliliters of lemon juice. Now the amount of lemon juice that you get is going to be different depending on how many lemons you use. So the next step is we are going to freeze the lemon juice. And I really like using these silicone ice cube trays because this one in particular has measurements on the inside of the ice cube tray that say 2 tablespoons. So I know anytime I go for a cube of lemon juice, it's gonna be 2 tablespoons. All right, so this is why I like to put the lemon juice in a container that has a pour spout, because you're going to be pouring it in the ice cube tray. And you're just gonna fill up the whole tray. Now, after I juiced the lemons, I did run them through a mesh strainer just to get out any seeds and lemon pulp. That way when you go to use your lemon juice later, it's going to be free of any lemon debris. And by the looks of this, I'm going to need another ice cube tray because these lemons really produced a lot of juice. So just fill the whole thing. Like that. And this one comes with a lid. You don't need to have a lid, but since it has one, I'm going to put one on there. And then now the ice cubes are ready to go in the freezer along with your lemon zest. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when everything is frozen. You may have noticed we have a large bowl here of spent lemon rinds. Don't throw those away. They're excellent for the compost pile. They're also really good for cleaning garbage disposals and microwaves. I'll leave a link in the description box below for a tutorial on how to use lemon rinds to clean microwaves. Now that the lemon juice and lemon zest are frozen, let's take a closer look. I ended up with 20 lemon cubes. They freeze absolutely beautifully. As you can see, the lemon zest has retained all of its bright yellow color. When you're ready to use it, you just take a little bit and crumble it like regular lemon zest. I hope you enjoyed this video on freezing lemon zest and lemon juice. If you want to use any of the products I did in the video, they're all linked in the description box below. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe. It is the best way to support our channel and make sure that you don't miss a single video. Let us know in the comments what video we should make next.